If you are bored, it's time to throw a big fun party.
Wow!
First of all, call your best friend. No party can do without her. And don't forget about the neighbor.
Yeah!
The more friends, the merrier. But wait a second. What about Sammy? Hello, Sam. I invite you to my party tonight.
Oh, thanks for that. I am already on my way. See ya!
Now, let's cook. But sometimes, it can be very challenging. Let's hope that Maeve has learned how to do that. We all remember the last time. Everyone said no to her masterpieces then. Even the cockroaches ran away at once.
Help! Help! It's poisonous!
That was an absolute epic fail. This time, Maeve won't make that kind of mistake. Wait, what? It seems like… Yuck! What is it? Ah, she almost got that one right.
Put the utensils down! Keep your hands off the stove! This is terrible! Get rid of this thing at once!
Let's give it another try. I guess this steak is done. Charcoal style. We'd better throw it away real quick, because it looks kinda creepy. Maybe Maeve's best friend Sammy could help a bit here. Here's an idea for a creative and unusual lemonade. Looks refreshing. Great! The only thing we need is a watermelon. If there is none at home, Maeve can easily grow it. But be careful. Don't repeat this trick on your own, friends. We also need to work on the shape a bit. Now let's wash our watermelon really good. Maeve decided to use everything she found at home. All done. Maeve did an excellent job. The watermelon is finally fresh and clean. Ask an adult to make a small opening on the watermelon side.
Hey, Maeve. You need to put a tap inside the opening you've made.
Sammy, is it from your bathroom?
Of course not. I could never do such a thing.
Let's say we believed it. Now insert the tap properly, like this. And this is how we get some fresh watermelon juice. Okay, now let's taste our super cool party lemonade.
Hello, friends. I am here to help with everything.
Oh, Sam arrived too early.
Shiver me cheddars. What a mess. Okay, you go freshen up, and I will take care of the rest. And also, start preparing the party cakes while I'm cleaning around.
In order not to spill the batter around, use this new hack. Now the batter is totally safe. Our trick with the Wonder Plate for the mixer got an A+. And the delicious cupcakes are ready. Looks perfect.
I am done cleaning. This is exhausting.
We need to say thanks to Sammy. You know, he likes ice cream. Let's try to make it using the easiest recipe ever. First, we will crush the cookies right in the package. But be careful. Don't destroy everything around you. Now comes the milk. Pour it straight into the baggies. Hey, wait! Don't drink everything. Leave something for Sam. We'll add popsicle sticks. And get some really cold air.
Hey! Who left the fridge open? I am freezing.
The ice cream is ready in no time. What a speed. Let's try it. It looks like the taste is awesome.
Holy Oreo! What a life!
For the next dish, Maeve is gonna need some special equipment. Careful! Careful! Yes, you got it! Like that! You look cool! Yeah, cutting an onion is not the most pleasant task. Did it work? Nope. Even funny Sam videos are not helping from tears. Is there any other way?
Yo, Maeve! Catch! Keep the bread in your mouth and you won't cry. It's the best hack from Tibidabo.
We should trust Sammy on that. Let's see. It works! The onion doesn't disturb Maeve anymore.
This is my best trick.
Sammy, you also need tear-killing bread.
Yes, this is much better. Thanks a lot.
Sam knows the best hacks in the world, and we're moving on. Oh, Maeve's friends will be here any minute. She needs to prepare the dip. It will take just 5 minutes or so. Put all the ingredients into a zip bag. And next thing, well, you know.
Por favor, señorita. This is totally wrong. Let me show you how it's done. This is what I call holy guacamole.
The dip is ready. Now let's make a cut at the corner of the bag. And squeeze out the guacamole carefully. The snacks are served, but first, we should try everything, right? It looks like the dip came out great. Sammy, you are the best chef in the world.
Oh, the guests are here. But we still don't have enough food.
Let's take a tortilla for the quesadilla and divide it into 4 parts. 1 part is for lettuce, another for tomatoes and onion. The third one is for some ketchup. And the last one is for cheese. Now let's fold it like this to get an edible envelope. You can also share it with a friend. Delicious lunch and no sauce stains on your face. What an awesome kitchen hack! Oops! And why does it always keep happening? Don't be sad, girl. Just make yourself another plate. The soap dispenser has such a convenient nozzle. Now, she knows how to solve the ketchup problem, once and for all. Take off the dispenser head and replace it with a funnel. Take the ketchup and pour it into the dispenser. That's easy. We don't need the funnel anymore. Let's put the top part back in its place. Done! Hey, girlfriend, your food is ready. Enjoy! And here's your favorite ketchup. Oh, wow! This is so cool! It really works! There is no need to shake the bottle anymore. This is exactly what I needed! I love this kitchen trick. It's amazing! Great! Now dig in! The next hack is for a jelly party. Just apply some oil on a poppet and add sweet sprinkles on top. Colorful gummies melt in no time. Now fill the poppet with jelly and put it in the fridge to rest for a while. Voila! Now you have a colorful and definitely tasty snack. It's so hot today. Cold soda can really come in handy. Hey, do you want to surprise your friends? Just make some soda lollipops. Sounds like fun, right? Then just follow my lead. Take a bowl and pour a bottle of your favorite soda in it. Now, add some bright green food coloring and mix everything really well. Here goes gelatine. 1 baggie is enough for this kind of bowl. Then mix it well once again. What a blast! It's time to make our lollipops. We'll take a silicone mold and add our mixture to the bottom side. Then we'll close it with the lid, like this. Add the jelly using a syringe through the openings on top. Let it chill. And we have just one step left. Put the candies on the skewers and the coolest Sprite lollipops are ready. Bon appetit! It looks like this foodie found a new cool recipe.
Wow!
Take a couple of cookies, put them into a cup, and add some milk. Then soften them until you get something like batter. Put the whole thing into the microwave and bake it until it's done. The batter inside the cup should become approximately twice as big. Like this. We'll just add some powdered sugar. And beautiful, colorful sprinkles. Sweet, delicious, and so easy to make cupcake is ready. Try this recipe, and you will love it.